It's your friendly math tutor, Miss C, here to unlock the magic of graphing linear equations written in slope-intercept form. Our equation is y equals 7 minus 2/3 x. So we know two things right away. We know the y-intercept is 0, 7, and we know the slope is negative 2/3. Quick reminder, the slope is always the number multiplied by our variable x. So I know when I graph this, because my slope is negative, that my line should be heading downhill, much like a skier skiing down the side of a mountain. So our line will start high on the left and end low on the right. So to graph this line, we start with our y-intercept. So we plot 0, 7. You can see that was plotted with the blue dot. So as a reminder, the y-intercept always sits on the y-axis. Next, we start plotting using our slope. So we are going to plot several points. The way we do that is we travel down 2 and to the right 3. Sometimes in math, we call this the rise over the run. So we are rising in the negative direction and we are running in the positive direction, and then we plot our point. We can do this again to get to our next point. We could actually do this as many times as we wanted, and we would end up with points following this pattern. Our final step, because we have more than 2 points, is to now connect the points to form a line. And we have graphed y equals 7 minus 2/3 x. Thank you for unlocking the magic of graphing linear equations with me. Till next time.